Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2A00 indicates an issue with the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1. This code is triggered when the output readings of the AF sensor deviate significantly from the expected parameters, affecting engine performance. The AF sensor's primary role is to monitor the oxygen concentration levels in the exhaust gases, ensuring that the engine runs at an optimal air-fuel mixture. When the sensor detects an abnormal drop in oxygen levels during engine deceleration, it signals the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to store this code. It's essential to recognize that the AF sensor is located in the exhaust system, typically upstream of the catalytic converter. When addressing this code, specific troubleshooting methods must be utilized to identify the root cause of the deviation and ensure proper vehicle operation. The AF sensor, sensor 1, plays a critical role in managing engine performance and efficiency. Positioned in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, it measures the amount of oxygen present in the exhaust gases. This information is crucial for the PCM to maintain the ideal air-fuel ratio, impacting both fuel economy and emissions levels. When the AF sensor's output deviates from expected values, it could signify potential issues such as a malfunctioning sensor or exhaust leak. Thus, the PCM monitors these readings continuously, and if any anomalies are detected, DTC P2A00 is generated for further diagnosis. Addressing issues related to this sensor quickly is vital to prevent further complications and ensure that the vehicle operates efficiently. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P2A00. One primary concern is a faulty AF sensor, sensor 1 itself, which may not be providing accurate readings due to internal malfunction. Another possibility includes electrical connection issues, such as loose wiring or corroded terminals, which can disrupt the signal sent to the PCM. Additionally, exhaust leaks can skew the oxygen concentration levels detected by the sensor, resulting in erroneous data that the PCM interprets as a malfunction. It's imperative to methodically assess each of these possibilities to accurately diagnose and repair the issue. Understanding these causes aids in applying the correct fixes to restore the vehicle's performance efficiently. When DTC P2A00 is present, there are several symptoms that may manifest during vehicle operation. One of the first indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to potential issues. The vehicle may also experience poor fuel economy, as an incorrect air-fuel mixture can lead to inefficient combustion and increased fuel consumption. Additionally, drivers might notice a rough or unstable engine idle, particularly during deceleration phases where the AF sensor is primarily active. By recognizing these symptoms early on, vehicle owners can take proactive measures to address the problem, preventing further complications and ensuring optimal vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2A00 is to start the engine of the Honda Accord. Once the engine is running, it's crucial to hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without any load, meaning the vehicle should be in park P or neutral N. This step is essential because it allows the engine and sensors to reach operating temperatures effectively. Observing the engine's behavior at this speed helps ensure that components like the AF sensor are active and responsive. Once the radiator fan engages, indicating sufficient temperature, the engine should be allowed to return to idle speed. Monitoring these preliminary conditions is vital as they set the stage for more detailed testing. The next step requires a test drive under specific conditions to gather data pertinent to DTC P2A00. The Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, must indicate that the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor 1, is above 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius. This temperature is significant because it confirms that the engine is at a proper operating temperature for effective performance testing. During this drive, the vehicle should maintain a transmission setting of drive, D, and achieve speeds of 25 to 55 miles per hour, 40 to 90 kilometers per hour, for a duration of 5 minutes. Adhering to these conditions allows the PCM and AF sensor to perform optimally, ensuring accurate diagnoses following the drive. In this troubleshooting step, the objective is to monitor the vehicle's behavior during a steady speed drive. The driver should accelerate to maintain a speed between 55 and 75 miles per hour, 90 to 120 kilometers per hour, for approximately 10 seconds. This process allows the AF sensor to stabilize and send accurate readings to the PCM. Following this interval, the driver should decelerate completely with the throttle fully closed for at least 5 seconds. This deceleration phase is crucial because it simulates conditions under which the AF sensor's output would be particularly scrutinized, helping to confirm whether the sensor is functioning as expected. Observing behavior during these speeds provides insight into the sensor's performance and helps validate its operational range. After completing the test drive, it is essential to monitor the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the presence of DTC P2A00. The HDS will display various statuses, including the Onboard Diagnostics OBD status for the Powertrain Control Module, PGM-FI. This monitoring is critical as it documents the real-time performance of the vehicle and identifies if DTC P2A00 is actively stored. Having accurate data at this stage ensures all previous tests and controls have yielded the expected results or highlight discrepancies that require further investigation. Verifying the OBD status and the presence of this specific DTC offers insight into the AF sensor's engagement and the vehicle's overall emission performance. Once the necessary repairs have been performed to address DTC P2A00, it's crucial to confirm that the repairs were effective. Begin by ensuring that all of the repairs outlined earlier in the troubleshooting procedure have been successfully completed. After verifying repairs, the next step involves clearing the DTC from the system using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Clearing the code resets the system, allowing the vehicle to recheck the sensors and engine management system without outdated data. Finally, it is imperative to test the vehicle's performance under normal driving conditions to ensure that the issue does not reoccur and that the vehicle operates smoothly without any triggering faults. This step solidifies the integrity of the repairs and restores driver confidence in the vehicle's performance. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid future occurrences of DTC P2A00. Regular inspections of the A/F sensor can help identify issues early, allowing for timely intervention. It's also vital to check electrical connections periodically. Loose or corroded connections can lead to inaccurate readings, making them prone to failures. Maintaining the exhaust system is equally important, as leaks can significantly impact sensor performance and lead to erroneous data being sent to the PCM. Incorporating these steps into routine vehicle maintenance ensures that the air-fuel mixture is accurately monitored and managed, promoting optimal engine performance and reducing emissions. By prioritizing these practices, vehicle owners can enhance longevity, reliability, and efficiency. Understanding the role of the AF sensor in managing engine performance is key to addressing DTC P2A00 effectively. The troubleshooting steps outlined will guide technicians through systematic assessment and repair, ensuring a comprehensive approach to identifying the root issue. Recognizing symptoms like a rough engine idle or poor fuel economy can alert drivers to potential sensor problems. Implementing preventive maintenance strategies can extend the life of the AF sensor and prevent future DTC occurrences. In conclusion, keeping the vehicle's air-fuel ratio optimal not only enhances engine efficiency, but also contributes to reducing harmful emissions, thus promoting environmental health. By remaining vigilant and proactive, car owners can maintain their Honda Accord in peak operating condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.